in this project, we are going to create a loft that goes up and have a stair with a wall underneath. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete these windows on the back. And I'm just going to open up this section here. I've hidden these view tags, so I'm just going to click this Reveal Hidden Elements. We're going to raise this roof up about 2 feet. We're going to raise it up about basically another probably 2 feet. And then we're going to go to level 2 here. We're going to put a small loft floor. Just going to leave it as that for now. And we're going to make the loft about right there. I might have to move this line depending on how long the stairs are. So we're going to go to the stairs here. And go up one here. Change this to support right. I'm going to delete this door for now. The one thing I'm going to change is the actual code here is 7 5/8 for stringer height, and I'm going to actually change the tread depth to 10 since this is only a loft. So 10, and then we're going to add stairs, and I think we can get, if I change the desired amount of things to 16, yeah, we can do 16. So that's perfect. And since this bottom part's a little bit longer, we're just going to extend this over here. And extend the stair there too. For complexity's sake, the one thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to change the types of stringers, and we're going to have open stringers. And that'll help clean up the look of this a little bit. Just puts the stringer underneath, basically. I'm going to delete the railings for now. Bring this over. So we have our stair now, and we're going to add a wall for a bit of a closet underneath. I'm just going to go generic 5" for now, and start the wall here. Just going to change this to finish face exterior. Wall here, and just put a little like that. I'm going to move that out there so it's underneath the roof. So we're just going to cut another section down the middle here. Oh, looks like I did everything on level 2. Just making everything connect in the right spot. So now, the best way to make this wall basically disappear underneath the stairs is by using the pick line tool, and we're going to basically cut off the bottom of this wall here, and then we'll pick line here. This wall needs to go underneath. Now I'm just going to cut, you can go over here and use a section box. I'm just going to cut through this 3D image so we can see what we did more clearly. So you can see that we have a wall underneath the stairs. And then we can add a door at the end of the wall here. Probably a little bit too big, but you get the point for this. So now you have a loft with a stair going up